Today I'll show you 12 Japanese-style self-care morning rituals that ground my soul. Come on, spend this time with me. I don't always wake up this early, but today I had a reason. It's because of this. Yeah, I was recently reading the biography of my great-great-grandma who lived a beautiful life until she was 96. She wrote something that stuck with me. The early bird gets the worm. At 5 a.m., even the hard workers are starting their day. But 4 is an unlucky number in Japan, so I wake up at 3:30 to begin my work. The first thing I do is open the windows. I was so surprised. She did this every single day, 365 days a year until the very end. And her reason? She said, in the morning, the golden goddess of fortune is wandering around, wondering which house to enter. So you have to open up to welcome her in. I thought that was so beautiful. And since she's my ancestor, I felt like maybe I could do it too. So this morning, I'm following in her footsteps. Honestly, I'm a little bit sleepy, but opening the windows, refreshing the soul, and welcoming a wonderful goddess, I thought what a beautiful form of self-care, don't you think? After welcoming the goddess into my room, it's time to take care of my body. Drinking plain hot water, we call it Sayu, is my daily ritual. Did you know after a long sleep, your body is as thirsty as a dessert? That's why many of us in Japan start our day with Sayu to wake up our digestive system gently. With my body warmed up, I step outside. To be honest, until recently, I wasn't even able to walk properly. I learned the hard way that when you can't move your body, your heart naturally starts to feel negative. So now I know that just being able to put one foot in front of the other is an amazing form of self-care. I usually walk for about 20 minutes, enjoying the earth while everyone is still asleep. While I'm walking, I pick up litter every single morning. Why? In Japan, we have a phrase, Toku Tsumu. It means stacking hidden virtues. The idea is that when you do something good for the world behind the scenes, that positive energy accumulates in the universe and eventually finds its way back to you. So for me, walking isn't just about exercise. It's about cleaning the world and saving my toku, positive energy, at the same time. That's my secret to a happy morning. Back home and straight to the shower. Alternating between hot and cold water is one of my essential self-care habits. You might think it's intense, but it's vital. Have you ever heard of Misogi? In Japan, it's an ancient tradition of purifying the soul by bathing in, honestly, crazy cold rivers or waterfalls. We believe that water doesn't just wash away dirt, it washes away kegare. This is the stagnant energy or the heaviness that clings to us from everyday life. So I think of this shower as my modern-day version of Misogi. It clears the mental fog and all those distracting thoughts. Now that I'm refreshed, I begin to clean. I actually learned the importance of morning cleaning from Sato, the way of tea. In the tea ceremony, we always purify the tools before we make matcha. It's not just about removing physical dirt, it's about cleaning your mind to prepare the perfect matcha for the guest. So, cleaning is not a chore for me. It's a ritual to cleanse your heart. But lately, I've been reflecting on one thing. Yeah, I had been neglecting my windows. Yeah, in Japan, we believe that windows are linked to our eyes. If your windows are dirty, the world you see through them looks dull. It's the same with our vision. If your eyes' inner filter is cloudy, the whole world starts to look cloudy too. So that means my world has been feeling a bit cloudy lately. Not good. So today, I'm cleaning that filter. Now that my room and my heart are clear, I light some incense. This is a self-care habit I actually learned from my partner. Yeah, feeling the fresh, clean room with a lovely scent makes the space feel even more blissful. It's like the final touch to our canvas. In this moment, I'm so happy. Now it's time for breakfast. My father is an early bird too, so we often share this quiet time together. Lately, my breakfast has been simple: 2 eggs, some ham, and this. Miso-dama. Have you heard of it? There are a little bowl of miso paste with ingredients mixed in already. So all you do is just add hot water and boom, miso soup is ready. Simple, right? In Japan, miso soup is a nutrient-dense superfood. It balances your gut and boosts metabolism, which is why it's often called asa no dokukeshi, the morning detox. Especially in the cold winter, this miso soup is ultimate form of self-care. After a light breakfast comes my favorite ritual of all, a 5 minutes minimal matcha session. Yo! Lately, I've been loving doing this outside. Yeah, even if it's cold. I love connecting with the energy of nature. In Japan, we have a spirit called Ichigo Ichie. It means once in a lifetime encounter. This exact moment, this specific bowl of matcha will never happen again. So I focus all my heart into whisking the perfect matcha just for myself. The morning's negative thoughts, the rush, the anxiety, they all just naturally fade away into the air. Yeah, it's truly moving zen. I often get comments like, how can I do that ritual? Would you like to know? If so, let me know in the comments. After my matcha, I like to close my eyes for a moment and just feel nature. I want to share something a bit deep with you. In Japanese, the word for nature is written as this. Usually we read this as shizen. This reading is often used to separate nature from human. It treats nature as something outside of ourselves. But there's actually another way to read it. That is Jinen. And this is the original. It means to be as you are. We are nature itself. Yes, there's no line between us and nature. So shizen separates humans from nature, but Jinen means that we are a part of nature ourselves. The spirit of Jinen always saves me because it remains that I'm beautiful just as I am, just like the wind, the trees, and the water. Heading back my room, oh look, the sun is finally out. Whenever I see the first morning sun, I take a moment to offer my gratitude. Yeah, it's a custom that's been rooted in Japan since ancient times. Science says that sunlight helps our bodies release serotonin and oxytocin, the hormones of happiness and connection. But beyond science, I just feel like the sun gives me this powerful, pure energy to start my day. And finally, Radio Taiso. Yeah, it's a famous 3-minute exercise routine created in Japan to keep healthy. I actually do it while watching my own video. Man, I must really like myself, right? Yeah, this is a self-care habit for my body.
6, 7, 8. Thank you so much. Wishing you a wonderful day.
Now I'm fully charged and ready for the world. To be honest, there are many other small things I do in the morning, but I think I'll save those for another time. Today, as always, I head off with my partner. My bamboo bicycle, riding through the morning air, is the final piece of my ritual. Here's my workspace for today. And look, nobody's here yet. It's all mine. Great-great-grandma. You are so right. The early bird really does get the worm and this beautiful silence. Today I focused on the self-care rituals that keep me grounded. What did you think? Which one was your favorite? I'd love for you to try even just one of them. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.